Hello, how to solve for x and y very fast from this given nice math problem. X plus y is equal to 5. Then x raised to power 3 plus y raised to power 3 is equal to 125. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Solution. X plus y is equal to 5. Let us call this equation 1. X raised to power 3 plus y raised to power 3 is equal to 125. Let us call this equation 2. Take note of this, that if you have a raised to power 3 plus b raised to power 3, this is equal to a plus b bracket a square minus ab plus b square. Then this can be written as x raised to power 3 plus y raised to power 3. This is same thing as s plus y bracket s square minus sy plus y square, then is equal to 125. But from equation 1 here, x plus y is equal to 5. This is 5 multiplied by x square minus xy plus y square bracket is equal to 125. Now let us divide the whole of this by 5 and this by 5. This 5 cancel this 5. 5 here 1, 5 here 25. X square minus xy plus y square is equal to 25. Let us call this equation 3. Note that if you have x square plus y square, this is equal to x plus y all square minus 2xy. X plus y is equal to 5. This is 5 square minus 2xy. And this is the same thing as 5 square, 25 minus 2xy. Therefore, x square plus y square is equal to 25 minus 2xy. And from this equation 3, x square minus xy plus y square, this is equal to x square plus y square minus xy. This is equal to 25 minus 2xy, then minus this xy is equal to 25. Now we are working with this. We have 25 minus 2xy minus xy is equal to 25. Now we have minus 2xy minus xy. This is minus 3 sy is equal to 25 minus 25. Now minus 3xy is equal to 0. So if you are divide both sides of this equation by minus 3, then xy is equal to 0. Let's call this equation 4. Now we need to solve both equation 1 and equation 4 together. Equation 1 is s plus y is equal to 5, and equation 4 is sy is equal to 0. And now this is the same thing as, since sy is equal to 0, it means that either s is equal to 0 or y is equal to 0. Let's solve for s to y2. Then from s plus y is equal to 5, then s2 will be equal to, then s2 will be equal to 5 minus 0. s2 is equal to 5. Also, y2 is equal to, y2 is equal to 5 minus 0. y2 is equal to 5. Therefore, our final answer are s1, y1 is equal to 0, 5, and s2, y2, this is equal to 5, 0. These are the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, s plus y is equal to 5. Then we have s raised to power 3 plus y raised to power 3 is equal to 125. Now here, let's consider this. When s is 0 and y is 5, we have 0 plus 5. This must be equal to 5. 0 plus 5, this is 5, is equal to 5, which is true. Let's consider this. S raised to power 3 plus y raised to power 3 must be equal to 125. When s is 0, we have 0 raised to power 3 plus, when y is 5, we have 5 raised to power 3 must be equal to 125. Then this is 0 plus 5 raised to power 3, 125, must be equal to 125. And of course, 125 is equal to 125, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.